Hey guys, what's up? This tutorial is just going to be explaining simple shuffling, how to shuffle a deck. There's some people out there that may not have ever touched a deck of cards and don't even know how to shuffle. So I'm going to go through the 4 basic methods of shuffling, starting with the overhand shuffle. It's where you take a group of cards, about half the deck, from the bottom of the pack. You hold the deck in your hand like this, just kind of rest it in your hand on your fingers, and you just kind of take about half the cards from the bottom and just start taking off small packets and throwing them on the top. This is renowned as one of the worst ways to shuffle. People don't think it shuffles the deck very well. With this shuffle, you can run cards as well, doing one card at a time, kind of like that. But it's the overhand shuffle. You just take a pack off the bottom and kind of throw small packets on the top. It's one of the most satisfying ways to shuffle. And that's shuffle number 1, the overhand shuffle. Shuffle number 2, most common home game or shuffle would be the bridge shuffle. You take a pack, well here, let me just show you how it's done. You just kind of do this and then bridge it. And that is known as a bridge shuffle. Just like that. You hold the pack in your right hand, you take about half of it into your left hand, kind of like that. Square them up and then shuffle them and give them a bridge. And that is the bridge shuffle. That's shuffle number 2. Shuffle number 3 is kind of the same as the overhand shuffle, but it's known as a Hindu shuffle. And you hold the deck in your left hand, in my case the left hand, from the back of the cards, kind of like that, thumb and fingers on one side. And then you just grab cards from the top of the pack and slowly, small packets off onto the bottom of the pack until the shuffle is completed. And that is known as a Hindu shuffle, or another way to do the overhand shuffle, a different type of overhand shuffle. And then there's shuffle number 4, which is known to be, or at least said to be, the best shuffle because people can't glimpse the cards. Because if you're doing this, you can see the bottom cards and stuff. This shuffle is known to be the safest and best shuffle because nobody can see the cards. And with this one, you leave the deck on the table. It's called the Casino Table Riffle Shuffle, or Table Casino Riffle Shuffle. And you take half the pack into your right hand, half the pack into your left hand, ruffle the corners together like that, and then push the deck up and square it. Just like that. That's the Table Casino Shuffle. Now, you can do a bridge with this shuffle as well. And it looks something like this. And that's how you get a bridge with the Table Casino Shuffle. And what I'm doing to do that is I'm first doing the standard shuffle, straightening the cards up, and then I'm using my pinkies and my other fingers to hold the card straight, but my pinkies are doing all the work holding the pressure to actually riffle the pack like that. And that is the 4 basic ways to shuffle the deck. The overhand shuffle, the most common home shuffle would be the bridge shuffle, and then the other way to do an overhand shuffle or Hindu shuffle, and the classic casino table riffle shuffle.